Hey guys, what's going on? This is Blockbird cryptocurrency. Thank you for tuning in again with me today. Decided to use a different website, Coin Checkup. It's pretty decent. I like the layout of it. Maybe not quite as clean as Market Cap, but I'll continue to use it and see how I feel. Market cap is at $378 billion. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin are all up within the last hour between 1.9 and almost 3% between the three coins. All right, so let's get into today's news. This is a breaking report, and maybe we can take it with a grain of salt. I don't know if the verdict has been settled yet, but I wanted to put this information out here for you so you can take this into account as you make your trades. So some of you maybe remember earlier, a few videos back, I discussed the Tokyo Well, the trustee of the Mt. Gox hack, who has been sitting on billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, several 100,000 Bitcoin, and he has been liquidating these Bitcoins and thus crashing the market. So a lot of people are attributing this bearish trend to this so-called Tokyo Well. All right, so let's get into this report. Investors bullish on Bitcoin now that the Tokyo Well has stopped selling. News that an influential Bitcoin holder is taking a break from selling has added to a bullish case for the digital currency. A trustee of defunct Tokyo Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox sold more than 35,000 Bitcoin, worth about $400 million at the time, to pay off creditors, according to details of the sale published by a company trustee last week. The exchange closed in 2014 and filed for bankruptcy after the theft of 850,000 Bitcoin. In order to liquidate Mt. Gox's remaining 166,000 Bitcoin, worth about $1.6 billion at Monday's prices, lawyer and trustee Nabukai Kobayashi said he still needs regulatory approval. So it looks like maybe there's going to be a little bit of a pause. But let's go on. Some reports and Twitter users said the next court hearing is not until September 2018. Quote, it's still hanging over, but now we've got 6 months or so before that's an issue. Brian Kelly, CEO of BKCM, told CNBC Money. In terms of the Tokyo Well, it's a supply issue, but it's also a sentiment issue. And so here are what some people on Twitter are talking about. If you want to keep up on this news, be sure to follow me on Twitter. I tend to post this type of info. Good news is that the next court proceeding for Mt. Gox bankruptcy won't happen until September 2018. Before then, Kobayashi will not have authorization to dump the remaining 160,000 BTC on the open market. And here's another user. Hi, I'm Japanese. He has already authorization to sell BTC. September 18th is only schedules of creditors meeting. And the English obviously here is a little rough, so bear with me. It has not any authorization of selling BTC. Nabukai says he will sell BTC with court permission. Bitcoin prices briefly recovered into the week, and it just goes on into a little bit of technical analysis. So that's the story of Tokyo Well. So it looks like from these reports and tweets that there may be a pause at the very least until September. So it looks like we may see a bullish trend, though a part of me is not quite as happy as I could be with this news. I think that it would be nice just to get this all out of the way. Just sell the Bitcoin now and let the market go on the run that it needs to go on. That it needs to go on. And with this Bitcoin that still has not been sold, these 166,000 coins looming in the background, there's going to be this shadow that's over the space. And in fact, I could see a bullish trend going on for the next several months until September, and then investors panicking maybe in early September, mid-September, before this court hearing. I could see them anticipating bearish news and then just dumping. And then we end up back at the same place where we began. So this is kind of good news, but I would still tread carefully in this market. And I think this is definitely going to improve investor sentiments, but I don't think it's quite the push that we need, knowing that inevitably these coins will have to be liquidated. And now at the very least, we have a date that we can look forward to. So that's about all, guys. Just wanted to share this report with you, especially going into the market tomorrow. Like I said, this came out just 9 hours ago, so this is fresh off the press. But, you know, just watch the market closely. Try not to get caught in any bull traps. If the market pumps really quickly after you make an investment, it may behoove you to take some of your profits. Or if you don't do that, just hold. Don't try to swing trade, because the AI is currently out there killing it. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. I don't think these are human beings for the most part who are doing swing trades. So you do have choppy waters ahead when dealing with those swing traders. Well, I'll talk to you guys later, and be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.